Hey Jen, this is Brittany. We spoke earlier, and this is the video that I was telling you about. So basically, I'm just going to show you a couple of things that you can do in order to get more people hitting on your site and start beating out your competition online. Alright, so taking a look at your site, it looks really good. You have all of this content, can definitely tell what you guys do, things like that. One thing, this is a click to call, which is really nice. A lot of websites actually do not have that. One thing that I will suggest is when you come over here and you see save image as. So it just loads as a just like photo code, and you want to save your images as keywords. And we'll get into the keywords here in a second, but that's definitely something that you're going to want to do. Another thing that I wanted to talk about was this content. So Google loves content. They read all of it. It's super important, and it's definitely the #1 thing when it comes to search engine ranking. So you have a little bit here, but I would really suggest getting up to about 1,500 words or more on this homepage, and then on all of these back pages, about 500 words or more. Now, I'm not saying that someone's going to come by and read all of it, but Google will. And they're going to be like, hey, you know what, Comfort Solutions, these guys really know what they're doing. They have all of this relevant content, so they must be experts in their field, and so we're going to push them up to the top of Google. So that's one way to get on up there. So another way is we're going to come over here and take a look. This is a software I use called Ahrefs. And basically it just shows how websites are performing in terms of getting traffic. So besides content, I really wanted to take a look at backlinks. So backlinks are also very important, and these are links from other companies, typically in the same industry, that say, hey, your company is trustworthy, I'm going to send this link back to them. Now, not all backlinks are created equal. I'm not going to get into all of that, but I will just tell you where it says no follow. Unfortunately, these backlinks are not doing you any good. So you want to stick to backlinks that are known as do follow backlinks. So with that, the next thing that we're going to get into are keywords. So keywords are also super important. These are found within your content and within your backlinks. So you have 256 of them. Let's take a look. Sorry, it's loading. But these words are definitely what you're going to want to do is focus on location-based keywords. Once it loads, I will show you what I mean by that. Okay, here we go. So right here you have like your name and everything, but right here you have heating and cooling Dayton, Ohio. This is getting 70 searches a month, and you're in the 8th position. So you're really going to want to start ranking for that so you can get more people hitting your site. So just as an example, I did the search of heating and air Dayton, Ohio, and you see these 3 guys are what are called the Google Map Pack, and these are done through something called citations. This is your name, address, and phone numbers for various keywords in different directories just on the web. So just by having those and getting those citations, you get pushed up here, and people will find you up here, which is really good. Now the first organic result is this Logan Inc. So I just want to stop it here and just say that everything I'm showing you is to drive traffic to your site organically. This is not Google Ads. This is not Home Advisor, Angie's List, nothing like that. This is how you can scale your business and getting the type of clientele you want just by doing this. So we're going to go over here and take a look at their site. So their site does have a lot of content down here, but I would definitely say they're not at that 1,500 word mark. So you can definitely go through, get to that 1,500s and beat them with that. So now let's go take a look over here. So now I know that they focus here Dayton, Columbus, and Cincinnati, but as far as backlinks and things like that, we can definitely get you on up here in the 3,000 or 4,000s because you want to get up and beating them for that. And then one thing I like to do is come over here to their keywords and do what's called the copycat method. And this is going through and finding location-based keywords. See HVAC, Dayton, Ohio. 150 people are searching this a month. So you would really, really want to get after that and start ranking for this keyword. And you can go through here and go through different competitors and things like that and just find different keywords to rank for. Like I like to go up here, I would just type in Dayton and see what's going on. See what has Dayton in it, because that's a huge factor, is keeping the location. So yeah, so I just want to come over, where is it, Word, here, and just kind of wrap up what I just said, because I know it was a lot. So start by saving those photos as keywords. HVAC Dayton, for instance, would be good for one of those. And then increasing your content on your main page, 1,500 words, and then 500 on those back pages. Getting into the Google Map Pack through citations, which again, name, address, phone number in different directories all across the web. So you want to get in as many of those as you can. And then getting those keywords into your content and backlinks to start getting the search traffic to your site for all of those keywords that we just saw. So this is something that if you want, you can definitely do it yourself, but I'm definitely happy to help out as well. And we could go ahead and scale this to a point where it really has a positive yet dramatic effect on your bottom line, just getting people in without any additional cost of advertising. So please just take a look at what I presented, and if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll go ahead and follow up in a couple of days. Thank you.